How you going, guys? This one's a bit of an exciting one for myself because I just bought my first Creed. Now this is Royal Mayfair. It's meant to be a very green, earthy, citrusy, slightly boozy kind of scent. The reason I got this one and not your Creed Aventus and your Viking and all those easy scents, because if I'm going to buy a Creed, I want to buy something different, something interesting. I like interesting fragrances, so this is a 75ml. It's my first Creed fragrance, and I'm pretty excited to unbox this. Like, the box itself is really nice. You have this like suede label at the front. It's all embossed with gold. Like, it's very well presented. You have your little card, and here shows the history of Creed in 1760, all signed on the inside. You have more, your pamphlet. As I said, this is my first Creed. I've never pulled out one of these before. Open it up and you pull out the bottle, and there we go. Royal Mayfair. Suede label on the front. Plastic lid, but it's got like an emblem on the top. It's a 75ml bottle. Here's glass. Let's go. Awesome atomizer. So it's very fresh, it's very green. That eucalyptus note is settling on the bottom. There's this nice rose middle to it. Oh, it's so nice. It's so unique and different. Like, the eucalyptus isn't like mouthwash or like eucalyptus like your tea tree oil and things like that. It's not harsh. It's quite mellow, and I get why people say there's this slight mothball element to it because of the pine and the eucalyptus. It's almost like medicinal, but then you have the gin, you have the orange, the lemon, and then the floral from the rose. It's super sophisticated. It's very, like, I guess you could say it's unique and royal almost. I love it because it's so different. I don't want to have something that's like Creed Aventus or, Viking Cologne. I'd love to get Royal Oud. That's probably one that I would buy. Original Santal and original Vetiver. I don't know. I want an interesting scent from a niche house. I don't want to get boring scents or something that everyone has and smells. There's so much depth to it. It's very unique. Creed Royal Mayfair. My first Creed. Almost Christmas.